not. 12-year-old Caitlin Thornley started sneezing a month ago.
Oh no! Oh Lord! Oh no! Oh sweet Jesus!
1,000 times a day. Sometimes the 7th grader can't complete.
Bless you, 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 bless you. Tom, you gotta get in here. Look at this. Come here, boy. Tommy, come here. What's up, Granny? What's up? Know what I'm doing now? Look at this. Now I called you 2 times now. Look at this.
12,000 times a day. Sometimes until they figure it out. There's nothing that can prepare you for that.
Friday right now, come here, you be with that little girl right now in her blessing. Now, you be with her while she sneezes. Lord have mercy, be with her.
Pro Health Advanced is superior. And these 2 kids would eventually become.
I knew you weren't gonna hold that in.
For him ever change in those years?
I always had a little thing for him.